What's poppin' YouTube? JD here, back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about one of the sickest pairs of Nike Dunks to come out in the last couple years, and that is the Nike Dunk Low Plum. So in this video I will be talking about the history of the shoe as well as the quality of this pair. I also will be covering, of course, sizing and resale predictions, and of course give you an on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. So the Nike Dunk Low Plum. So this is the first time this shoe has actually ever retroed. The first time this sneaker released was all the way back in 2001. It was part of a Japan exclusive, and it came as part of a pack, and that pack was called the Ugly Duckling pack. So in that pack there were 3 sneakers, the first of which was the Plums, and the other 2 were the ceramic and the veneer pairs. Both of those pairs, maybe we might see a retro of it soon, because Nike seems to be retroing a lot of these very early 2000 very hyped Nike Dunks from back then. Nike seems to be bringing them back for the first time. They've already done it now with the Plums, and they also retroed earlier this year another one of my favorites. Actually no, it was late last year that they retroed this, and that was the Nike Dunk Low Viotech. I love this sneaker so much, and this one, but yeah, these 2 Dunks, super happy to get them in my collection, and very happy that Nike finally retroed them. This colorway actually did retro before in 2011. It came as a high top version though. However, this is the very first time that the low top Plums have been retroed. Guys, at the beginning of the year, when I looked at every sneaker that will be dropping in 2020, there were 2 that stuck out to me right away, 2 that I knew I really wanted no matter what. One of them was this pair, the Plums, because man, this is such a beautiful shoe. So I'm super happy to be able to add this to the collection. The other pair, by the way, was the Jordan 4 Metallic in that green colorway. Yeah, that's the other shoe I really want 100% cop this year. But yeah, glad to finally get the Plums. Let's talk about the colors on this shoe. So there's 3 different shades of purple on this sneaker. Probably the nicest of which is this kind of dark purple that you see along the outline and the toe area of the shoe. Then there's more of a lavender color on this toe box, as well as the side panels of the shoe. And finally, the laces as well as the swoosh and the outsole are done in more of this deep purple / burgundy color. And all 3 together, guys, this is such a gorgeous colorway. And the reason I wanted this shoe so bad is because I love purple. Purple is probably my favorite color, I would say. I rock a lot of purple clothes. Yeah, I just love wearing purple. So and this shoe, a Dunk Low, 3 different shades of purple. This was just right up my alley. I had to cop these. And Nike definitely didn't disappoint with the quality. So the entire upper of this sneaker is done in this very premium feeling suede. You can see as I rub my finger along the upper here, you can see it changing colors. Definitely a very premium feeling material. Got to be careful when rocking this in wet weather though. I don't know how the shoe will hold up, but yeah, I'm definitely saving it for the sunny days. Definitely gonna rock it today probably. Very quickly wanted to say what up to all my subscribers. Shout out to all of you, and if this is your first time on the channel and you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more honest sneaker content. Now I know a lot of you guys don't really care about Dunks, and you guys probably cop this shoe just for resale purposes. Well, you know what, it's a part of the game now, so I don't really hate it, to be honest. Like, it's fine. If you guys want to cop it to make some easy money, go ahead. But let me talk about resale. So the way resale acted with this sneaker to me was actually really surprising, because on release date, I was looking at StockX and like prices were super low. Like in pretty much every size you could have got that size for, in some cases, less than $200. But then suddenly, like after it dropped on Sneakers app in Europe here, and then after it dropped on Sneakers app in the States, then suddenly like prices just skyrocketed, and now like a size 11 is selling for like around $250. Pretty much every single size is selling for around like $270 to $300 right now. So yeah, definitely there was a lot of demand on this sneaker that maybe people really didn't anticipate, because almost always the way sneaker resale prices perform right after a release is that it dips and then it kind of goes up over time. However, this one, like as soon as Nike Sneakers drop was done, boom, skyrocketed, straight line up. So yeah, and I expect it to actually keep going up. I expect the prices to hit around 400 maybe by next year. Right now, I would say it's gonna be in that 250 to 350 range. Sizing purposes for me, true to size fits absolutely perfectly for Nike Dunk Lows. However, I have heard that people with wider feet have complained that the toe box area is kind of like narrow. So if there are any Nike Dunks available at your sneaker store, I would suggest going in and trying it out first. However, my suggestion would be just to go true to size, and if you have wider feet, go up half a size. I was able to cop this for retail. Shout out to Soulbox. Soulbox is a sneaker boutique here in Berlin. They had a very basic first come first serve release. So I just went up to the store a couple of hours before, lined up, and I was able to cop the shoe for retail. I don't actually mind waiting a couple hours in this case because usually that's just not my thing. I don't like waiting in line for shoes, but this one though, I had to cop this. I already told you guys how much I wanted this sneaker, so I just went to the store, lined up, and copped it for retail. If you guys want something like style inspiration, by the way, make sure you follow me on IG. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. I usually drop fit pics and all my sneakers, and I do drop a lot of sneaker content on there, so make sure you guys are all following me. Once again, the handle is at JDKick6. Once again, shout out to all my subscribers, and if you enjoyed the video, once again, hit that like button, subscribe for more. The on-feed portion of the video coming up right now. Until next time, guys, peace.